約克區浩然獅子會嘅會長何燦成 Don Ho。咁今年我哋係第3週年啦。咁我哋希望係唱歌可以籌款捐俾獅子會裏邊嘅多街輔助犬嘅服務。咁呢個輔助犬咧，其實好多人以為係導盲犬，其實我哋呢個服務呢個機構咧就唔係做導盲嘅。我哋有7種服務，係導盲啦，係導聽啦，係自閉症啦，同埋有糖尿病患者啦，有啲傷殘人士啦，同埋一啲係受虐待嘅人咧，咁嘅我哋都可以有呢個服務提供呢個服務嘅。咁我哋希望我哋嘅目標就希望能夠係籌到1萬蚊，希望大家多多支持去捐俾呢個獅子會嘅多街嘅服務。咁其實我哋今年雖然第3週年，但我哋都過去咗2年咧，都我哋有捐過錢俾呢個係Air Cadet 空軍少年團啦，咁係5000蚊。舊年捐咗俾童軍都係5000蚊嘅。咁今年我哋目標希望能夠係捐到1萬蚊俾呢個獅子會嘅多街。咁希望大家多多支持。今年嘅籌款晚宴咧就喺4月18號咧，就喺呢個 Matthew Mall 嘅金瑞麟酒樓。我要多謝下一任嗰個會長 Andrew 今次嘅 committee 嘅團隊啦。咁我哋都嘥咗好多時間啊、精力啊、金錢啊咁樣嘅。咁希望大家多多支持。咁雖然1萬蚊唔係好多錢對呢個多街嚟講，但係希望拋磚引玉，希望我哋做少少嘢，就令大家得到大家多多支持啊！多謝各位。
大家好，我係萬錦市第2區市議員 Rich Lau 劉少麟。今日咧好開心嚟到支持約克區浩然獅子會啦，佢哋第3屆成立啦，亦都今年呢係為呢個加拿大嘅輔助犬基金會 Canada Dogs Guide 咧去籌款嘅。咁我哋咧亦都希望喺社區度咧呼籲多啲嘅leadership 咧去支持佢哋。佢哋今年咧會喺4月18號喺金瑞麟呢舉行呢個籌款晚宴啦，同埋慈善嘅唱歌之夜嘅。希望各界咧都支持佢哋。咁4月18號喺金瑞麟支持呢個約克區浩然獅子會。多謝大家。
嚟到恭賀約克區浩然獅子會啦 York Region Grace Lions 嘅 club 咧，除咗慶祝3週年咧，佢哋好有愛心，同埋一啲嘅唱家班嘅朋友咧，就係出嚟咧為呢一個即係呢個慈善團體嚟個籌款啦。咁除咗大家有慶祝3週年之外咧，係為社區係付出，咁好多謝佢哋。咁再次祝願佢哋嘅活動咧，已經係4月啦，極之成功，同埋今日嘅新聞發佈會咧做得非常好，再次恭賀。
多謝晒咁多位今日嚟到我哋嗰個獅子會嘅press conference 啦。咁咧 ，my name is Aaron Madar，I'm a member of the club as well。咁我哋就係會而家呢個 press conference 咧係主要講我哋4月18號嗰個籌款嗰個晚宴嘅。Okay， so I just want to acknowledge that we have a couple of dignitaries here. We have from the city of Richmond Hill, Deputy Mayor Mr. Godwin Chan here.
Welcome to Richmond Hill.
And from our neighboring city of Markham, we have Ward 2 Councillor, Mr. Rich Lau. 咁咧就好多人問我哋咧我哋 York Region Grace 究竟我哋 Grace 係 stand for 咩嘅咧 ？So Grace actually stands for the 5 letters. I'll read it out. So 1 G for green 環保啦 ，R for relation which is 聯繫 ，A for action 行動 ，C for caring 關懷 ，E for education 教育。咁我哋今年呢個晚宴咧，我哋就係會籌款咧，俾呢個加拿大獅子基金會輔助犬嘅服務。Okay? And the thing is, what's very unique about 呢啲輔助犬啦，呢啲咁樣嘅 dog guides 咧，好多人係以為 dog guides just helps people that are vision impaired. But actually for the Lions Foundation 咧 ，there's much more to it. 咁呢個咧我就會講英文，咁到時之後咧我哋個 event chair 我哋個 president 可以講多些少中文嘅，咁樣 OK？So the mission of Lions Foundation of Canada Dog Guides is to empower Canadians with disabilities to navigate their world with confidence and independence by providing dog guides 最緊要at no cost to them and supporting each parent in the journey together. 咁呢啲 dog guide 個 program 咧係有7 programs 嘅 ：Canine Vision、Hearing、Service、Seizure Response、Autism Assistance、Diabetes Alert and Facility Support。咁係最緊要係咧 train 呢啲dogs 咧，其實係好多錢嘅。因為點解咧 ？It costs approximately $35,000 to breed, train and provide each dog guide. The Lions Foundation of Canada does not receive any government funding and relies solely on donations and fundraising events. So that's why我哋今年就決定咗係會幫呢個 group 啦。OK？
我係 Andrew 歐陽，我係呢個Charity Singing 嘅 co-chair。咁啊，今次好成功，多得大家喺後邊大力支持。咁啊，我哋班Grace Line 級嘅 member 咧都好大力支持我哋呢次嘅 event，所以我喺度感謝咁多位嚟參加呢個singing party 啦，即係叫做係籌款嘅，係為咗呢個Dog 街嚟籌款嘅。所有嘅錢我哋籌到嘅咧，我哋會捐1萬蚊出去俾呢個Dog 街嘅 foundation 嘅。所以到時咧希望大家未買飛嘅人士啦，多多捧場，多多支持我哋。如果要聯絡我哋咧，你 send email 俾我得，或者電話俾我得，或者當好咯，或者我哋嘅 treasurer 阿 Connie 龍多謝大家，希望呢次舉辦呢次嘅 Charity Singing 成功。Thank you。
大家好，我係 Rita 好。我係代表常記貿易嘅嚟支持呢個Lions Foundation Dog Guides of Canada。佢哋今次咧就係好有熱誠嚟籌款。響4月18號有一個籌款嘅晚宴。我咧就即係幫我 husband 啦 Andrew 歐陽啦，因為佢係今次嘅 event chair。所以咧我咧就負責即係揾啲 singers， 大約有26個 singers， 好多都係自己嘅朋友。咁咧就亦都有人 sponsor 我唱歌，所以到時咧我就會唱幾首歌，同埋有同朋友合唱嘅。應該係好有水準嘅個歌手都。所以我今日好興奮同埋榮幸，可以咧就代表常記同埋代表呢個York Region 嘅 Grace Lions Club， 因為我 husband Andrew 歐陽咧，佢都係即係呢個 event chair， 所以我盡力幫佢希望到時咧，你哋盡力嚟參與4月18號 Lions Club 嘅 Dinner Gala。Thank you。